times when people hear the word meteorology, they think of meteors, but that's not quite exactly what meteorologists study. In fact, meteorology is the science dealing with the atmosphere and its phenomena. And the word meteorology is derived from the Greek word meteoron, which means a thing high up, and referred to anything observed in the atmosphere, and relies both on scientific and engineering concepts. The first mention in history of meteorology was by Aristotle in 340 BC in his book Meteorologica. It includes early accounts of water evaporation, earthquakes, and other weather phenomena. Throughout Meteorologica, Aristotle outlines two theories, that the universe is spherical and the four-element theory.
Next, we'd like to talk about how do we even create these forecasts? What is the weather forecasting process? Well, every morning and in the evenings, the National Weather Service launches these weather balloons. For us locally, 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. And they go collecting data as they're traveling up in the atmosphere. This data is then processed through a series of algorithms to generate forecast models. And then we use what we know about the climatology of our region and what we know about our current conditions to come up with the forecast. Like one of these forecast models that we use is what's behind me right now. This is called the graph. It has a 3-kilometer resolution and it updates every hour. It allows us to see if there's going to be clouds or if there's going to be rain. What can we expect as far as what we're going to see for the rest of the day in terms of our weather conditions?
The next model is the HRRR, which is a real-time 3-kilometer resolution, hourly updated, cloud-resolving, convection-allowing atmospheric model, initialized by 3-kilometer grids with 3-kilometer radar assimilation. Wow, say that 5 times fast.
And now we're going to move on to surface maps. These guys are actually pretty fun because it allows us to see what's going on in the atmosphere on a big scale across the nation. And right here, what you're seeing is a stationary boundary. And this guy actually allows us to see, hey look, there's little rain showers that are popping up along it. That's whenever you have that cool air and warm air interacting with each other. And based on those interactions that air has with each other, that's how we kind of gauge what's going to go on. If we see a cold air mass, a cold front coming in, we can kind of see, hey, there might be a severe weather event coming up. Or there might be some rain, some sleet, any icing events, even snow. And so the same is true when it comes to high pressure systems, low pressure systems. If there's a high pressure, we're going to expect hotter, drier conditions as air is being compressed down. If there's low pressure, we're going to expect things to go up, and we might actually see some rain out of that. And that's how we do things here at CBS 7. That's how we create our forecasts. Join us next time.